Hello there, my name is Mo, this is AudioSpares, AudioSpares.com, the home of audio spares on the internet. I'm going to talk very briefly today about this beastie. This is a speaker stand, standard speaker stand. As it turns out, this is not one of our speaker stands, but the same rule applies for all speaker stands. I'm not here today to advertise our speaker stands. I'm going to talk about, very briefly, about speaker stand safety. We do get quite a few people phone us up or email us after they've bought some speaker stands and said they're not up to the job. And quite often when we look into it, what they've done is not really use them properly. First rule of speaker stands is the legs. You've bought a speaker stand, presumably, that will cope with the load you're going to put on it. This is a standard 35 kilo speaker stand. We're going to get the legs as far apart as we can. It's not always possible to get the legs fully spread out as much as you would like, because it creates a tripping hazard quite often on the dance floor, and B, sometimes you're on the edge of the stage, and to put the legs fully out would have you going over the edge of the stage. So I've put the legs out here as far as I can to get as much stability out of that stand as I can. We're then going to tighten it up properly. If this tightening mechanism here is broken, and some of the older speaker stands used a really cheap plastic mechanism here, if that's broken, throw the stand away. They're not expensive compared to the cost of the damage it could do. Then we've got that. We're now going to adjust it to the height we require. And I'm going to go quite high with this one. And I'm just going to tighten the knob up a little bit there. And this is the important thing. We have a pin. And we're going to put the pin through the hole in the speaker stand, loosen it off very slightly so that the weight is resting on that pin, and then tighten it up again. Why do we do that? Well, just in case it's not obvious. First of all, that pin's going nowhere. There's a lot of vibration going through that stand tonight, and that pin is going nowhere. If I loosen that off, incidentally, I can just push that through, and the vibration will do the same. The other thing is, if we don't use the pin, let's just tighten it up without the pin. During the course of the evening, that stand is going to come down. There's a lot of vibration, a lot of noise going through it, and 35 kilos on the top of it, let's not forget. So we're going to put the pin in, make sure it's resting on the pin, and give it a good tighten up. Again, if either of these components here aren't working, do not use the stand. If you have to use the stand that night, do it and leave it at the venue. Don't take it home with you, it's no use to you. They are so cheap. What we're going to do then is the final thing I'm going to mention on speaker stand safety, and this is just a general thing for me. Imagine now we've got a speaker on the top of it which you can't see. Imagine the speaker is connected up nicely, and one of the things I see quite often is what we have there. Great. So, if the stand legs aren't a tripping hazard because we've been careful, don't worry, the wire will be. So this is what we're going to do. First of all, we're going to tuck it nice and neatly around the stand, as far as we can. We're not going to wrap it round things, but we are going to tuck it nice and neatly into the stand. And we're going to get, these are Velcro ties. These aren't our Velcro ties, incidentally. I'm not advertising AudioSpares as such. But we do sell Velcro ties. And we're going to put a Velcro tie here. And in real life, I'd probably put one down the bottom as well. They cost about, I don't know, 16 pence each. You buy them in a pack of 10, they're not expensive. And look at that, look what a neat job that's made of it. So there we go, speaker stands. At the end of the day, take your cable off, take your Velcro tie, and actually just put it around your stand, so that next time you come to use your stand, it's there for use. My name is Merv, this is AudioSpares.com, and I'll speak to you again soon. Thanks.